Alright, hello there. This is the Ultimate Works DV3. This came to me as an inhaled LED and I converted it over to Neopixel, set it up with the customer provided the Shtok V3 PCBs. So I put that in there. Made a custom chassis and crystal chamber for this one. Once I get it unscrewed, there we go. So I wanted to give it a beat up look, make it look like the crystal had been beaten into submission, just like in the lore. So the crystal chamber is weathered, as is the chassis. It is a CFX, again set up in the Neopixel setup. On the side I have two 4 5mm accent LEDs, red and green on both sides. And then your 28mm speaker at the end. The 28mm speaker is held in by magnets. Once you remove it, there's access to your 2.1mm recharge port. I did not have room to do a kill switch on this one, so there is room in the speaker pod to house a kill plug. Alright, so some sequence animations on the LEDs. It is a dual switch setup, so you have activation at the top of the switch card and auxiliary at the bottom. Get a much louder sound from the lower half once it's installed. Gives it some more bass. That is pretty much it. Made this chassis very similar to the 89 Sabre Anakin that I did earlier. I have that YouTube set up as well, so if you guys want to check that out. But had fun putting this one together. Hope you enjoy.